Optical Character Recognition, or OCR, is a technology that converts different types of documents, such as scanned paper documents, PDF files, or images captured by a digital camera, into editable and searchable data. This video will highlight how the FabSoft suite of products effectively leverages this technology. To begin, Document Companion offers users the flexibility to OCR entire documents with ease. The click-to-copy feature simplifies extracting text segments, empowering users to efficiently collect any OCR text data they need from their documents. While these features involve some manual copying of the OCR text data, users seeking a more automated approach can turn to DeskConnect. In this example, I have pre-configured a DeskConnect workflow to extract specific zonal OCR fields from purchase orders. Documents can be easily submitted to DeskConnect using the DeskConnect printer driver, resulting in the automatic generation of a text file containing the desired OCR text segments. Note that DeskConnect is also compatible with thousands of other output formats and locations, providing a plethora of options for users. A great advantage of DeskConnect is its ability to process multiple documents rapidly. Another advantage is that the entire system can be completely automated. Furthermore, DeskConnect harnesses the power of machine learning and AI to improve its OCR capabilities, ensuring that each processed document is extremely precise. At the forefront of innovation is the integration of OCR with the OpenAI chat feature in Document Companion. By simply clicking the OpenAI button, documents undergo OCR, transforming the text data for ChatGPT analysis. This powerful combination allows users to effortlessly identify potential issues in contracts, for instance, without needing legal expertise or manual text sifting. Such in-depth analysis is made possible by the crucial OCR process operating seamlessly in the background. In conclusion, FabSoft's products offer exceptionally versatile OCR capabilities, catering both to users who need quick, one-off OCR solutions and those who prefer automated workflows for bulk document processing. If you would like to see how our product can enhance your documents, please click the links below to try it for free or schedule a demo.